What's up YouTube, Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your key fob on a 2017 Acura MDX. I'm also going to show you how to unlock the car door and how to start your car even if your key fob battery is completely dead. Now the first thing is pretty easy. As far as getting in or unlocking the car door, all you need to do is see this little lever, just slide that, take out the little blade key inside here, and that will allow you to unlock and get in the car. Okay, now the battery in this key fob is low, but the car will still start. It's just going to give us a warning here on the dash when we start it. Let's go ahead and start it. You can see it says keyless battery remote low. If you ignore that warning and you don't change the battery in here and your key fob battery completely dies, you can still start the car as long as you still have the key fob. I'm going to show you how to do that by first I'm going to take the battery out of here so that we don't have a battery in here at all, and I'm going to show you how you can still start the car. And all we need to do is separate these two plastic halves here along this seam. By using this little key, we can get in here and pry this apart. If you have a screwdriver, that's probably going to be easier or a better tool to do this, but you can do it with this little key if you're in a pinch. Let's just get in here, wedge this, and just kind of carefully twist that. See, it's starting to separate. Let's just hit it again. There we go. And now you have the two halves. So I'll set this one down. This is a CR2032. This one is a Panasonic that's in here, and that's what we're going to replace it with. In order to get the battery out, there's a little spring on this side and these little clips on this side. You might be able to get it with, if you've got any fingernails, or we can just use that same key to get underneath there and pry it out. And there's the old battery. I'm just going to start the car with just this half so I can prove to you that there's no battery in it at all. So all we need to do is take this and hold it right down over the start button, put our foot on the brake and press the button. You can see it says to start engine, brake and press, so we need to do it twice. That second push, the car starts. To put the new battery in, all we need to do is slide it in from the side here, press down and that clips in place. Put these two halves back together, just line them up and then press the edges. And it snaps back together. Put your key back in, the little valet key, I guess they call it, and you're done. Now with the new battery, the car should start with one push, just like that. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up that same replacement battery as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.